Will you pay higher taxes in retirement?
It must be a massive problem, no?
It's a huge problem.
My name's David Hyden. I'm the founder of Hyden Associates. We specialize in minimizing, eliminating, and recapturing taxes both now and in the future. I've been in financial services and a retirement planner for a long time, and something that typically gets missed is planning for taxes in retirement. And so I just saw that as an area that no one was really specializing in, and I knew a lot about it. So when I started to market myself, I did the most traditional marketing that most advisors do, workshops, seminars, direct mail, things like that. But you can only go so far with that. I knew I had a message to get out, and I got introduced to Cheryl Hunter's group, and it was perfect timing for me. And I realized, I could take this message and put it on a national platform.
I will show you how to get featured in major media in the next 60 days, even if you have no audience, no following, and nobody knows who you are.
When I was in Magnify Your Message class, I realized that media people are constantly looking for something new, something different. I also learned how to really distill my message down instead of, just a lot of ideas. And so that was really helpful.
I've been busy working on capturing these logos. I'm having somebody put them down so I can use them as a piece I can use for like email templates and my website and all of that. And so working on that, redoing my logos, and just been really busy with that. So it's like I'm moving forward. So got a lot going on, really excited.
What it really did for me is it gave me more credibility, gave me more confidence. I started to just really understand who I was and what I was doing more, and the impact of it. When you're dealing with people that have a lot of money, you better have some credibility behind you. I was hoping I could get my message out on a national platform, but I had no idea how long that would take or what form it would take. I've been featured on Yahoo Finance, Fox News, ABC News, NBC, Boston Herald. When I got the call from Newsmax, they wanted to interview me, and of course it's the same day. I was out of town, so I only had casual clothes to wear, but I was excited. I wanted to do it, and I knew, well, this is my chance.
And president and founder of the Hyden Associates National Social Security Advisor and co-author of Crash Proof Wealth, David Hyden.
The coaching has been excellent. The team that she's put together, it's impressive. It's professional. It's well done. I've hired coaches and mentors. I've spent lots of money on that, and I was impressed with how they do things.